These birds look like they are expected from another planet. 1. Secretary bird. Long neck, sharp eyes. It hunts snakes by stumping them to death. Graceful and terrifying. One of the deadliest. 2. Kakapo. This bird doesn't fly. It walks like a mammal, with an owl-like face and human-like eyes. It looks more like a creature from a dream. 3. Hoatzin. It smells so bad, it's called the stink bird. Babies are born with claws on their wings, just like prehistoric birds. It's a living fossil. Nature didn't make mistakes. It made masterpiece.